You must have seen a lot of people commenting photo on TikTok comments, and you're wondering how it's been done. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to comment photo on TikTok. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here is the homepage of my TikTok app. In order for you to comment photo on TikTok, you need to go to the comment section. And when you go to the comment section of the video you want to comment photo on, looking here, you can see the gallery icon. Now if you're not seeing this for some reason, the first step you can actually take in order to fix that is to ensure you are using the latest version of TikTok. You can do that by going to your Play Store or App Store, just like this. Click on the search button and search for TikTok. So when you search for TikTok just like this, if yours says update just as mine, you need to click on update in order to get your TikTok app updated. After updating it, you need to wait for at least 24 hours and the feature is actually going to appear on yours. So looking here, the gallery icon is right here on this comment section. Clicking on the gallery icon just like this. Clicking on the gallery icon, you can see a lot of photos on your gallery, so you can select any of them and click on send, and you'd be able to send this photo on this person's video as a comment. So this is how simple it is to comment a photo on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get more tutorials, especially TikTok tutorials like this on this channel. See you in the next one.